Hi, I'm Lisa Solomon. I'm doing today a solo and small firm day at LegalTech. I'm a blogger. I blog at legalresearchandwritingpro.com. I'm also a freelance lawyer. I always like to come down to LegalTech to get a general idea of what's going on tech-wise and also to network. It's the main reason I go to conferences, to make connections, and that's so important when you're a solo or practicing in a small firm. I started off making some connections at the Bloggers Breakfast. People had an opportunity to get up and introduce themselves and tell everybody what they blog about. It's really important to get out there. When you go to conferences, be out there, really be talking to people. So the Bloggers Breakfast is over. In a few minutes, we'll be heading over to a session on how to use tech to connect with clients. I just attended a session called Growing and Retaining Your Client Base with Technology and Social Media, and it was on the small business track. Coming out of the session, I was very pleasantly surprised with the level of the information that was provided, and I want to share some of what I found to be the most valuable tips. So first, and this was from Adrian Lerson of JD Supra, he said, you don't get what you don't ask for. You should have a call to action on your website. A tip from Larry Bodine, you should make your website interactive. Again, ask people to click, to do something. It can be subscribe to your blog. It can be download something. Adrian again with a great tip here. In addition to engaging in conversation on your website, on your blog, in social media, you don't only want to engage, although that's important, you also want to become the subject of conversation. One way you can do that is to write thought-provoking content. So when you're the subject of conversation, you don't have to necessarily be engaging in the conversation.